So Andy, you brought me over to the shop this morning to show me this incredible door. Tell me about the weekend.
Well, I decided to spend the weekend working on a new bedroom door, and I decided to replace it. So I'd never built a door before. There are mistakes I made along the way. This is the prototype, and this is all made out of just basically junk wood, construction wood, 2x6s, and some 1/2-inch plywood I used to build crates, but this is the prototype. There are a couple of things that are missing, of course, the door knob and the hinge pockets.
Okay.
And these panels I want to replace, since I'm going to make my own panels, with a panel that's raised like this. In a recent project, our kitchen project, we showed people how to make a outside panel, inside panel, two-piece, to give us a nice raised panel look, but only have two pieces and no joinery to have to do.
So on these styles, you have some pretty deep mortise and tenons. Tell me about the processes that you did to make that happen.
Well, let's show you the system that we added to the machine, because this takes our new X-axis joinery system, or I like to shortcut it, called the door building system.
Yeah.
But this is a new module that we've added to the system.
Okay.
So let's just set this door aside and we'll show you, give you the tour of the new system.
All right, we've got the door back on the machine, kind of laying here in pieces. I noticed that this part here, tell me a little bit more about it. There's some interesting tenon going on here. Tell me about this piece here.
This is the bottom, and the top will be the same. So it's a little different. The tenon is not just a tenon, it's what I call a stack tenon. It's probably a wrong name, but that's all right. And that goes into a nice deep mortise on the rail. And the stack tenon lets me fill in this space. Once this is trimmed aside, there won't be any gap. I need a gap over here for the panels, but I don't want one on the bottom. So the top and bottom rails are a little different.
Okay.
They're made using this new fence system. Now this is brand new. It can be added to anybody's joinery system.
Okay.
I use it exclusively for doors right now, but I can think of a lot of things I would do with this. The nice thing about it has two places to put the post clamps. And if you're dealing with wide panels, you can use one of these type clamps, and I can tighten that down. So I get just a super nice grip on that.
Okay.
It's vertical, and then you can see the stop.
So because you have a stop, you can cut all of these and you never have to reset your Z-axis.
Exactly. Once I use my smart tool, touch off on this top and hit go, and you can make the single tenons only take about 3 minutes to cut.
Yeah.
So this is a regular tenon. There's also a dado that needs to be cut along the side.
So show me how these all fit in there.
Well, like I say, we could have done this on a table saw, but I'm trying to do everything on the CNC I can.
Sure.
I find that when the CNC is working for me, even if it only is 4 or 5 minutes, that's 4 or 5 minutes I can use somewhere else. So I can tighten these up with these clamps.
Okay.
And then it takes about a minute to cut each one of the dados. So you can see how it's clamped vertically. All I need to do is touch off this, and I can use my 1/2-inch bit to plow out the dado. If I need it on both sides,
simple as flipping it over.
It's as simple as flipping it over. That's how we deal with those dados. Now the styles needed to have dados in them as well.
Yeah.
So let's just put this in. Help me with that, John. These are easier if you kind of spin them sideways. We can move our tailstock out of the way. Now that's set in. So we can cut both the dado and we can cut the mortises. These mortises are deep. They're 2 1/4 inches deep, so they receive this large tenon is the cutting that we do there. So once again, super fast on the CNC. Takes about 10 minutes to do a side, maybe a little bit less than that. I didn't run a stopwatch.
Okay.
But the nice thing about it is everything's consistently centered, depth, and it's all using my spiral upcut bit over there to cut do all the cutting. Okay, so that's basically it. That's the hardware you need. So just to summarize, we have the new vertical fence with the clamp system on it that goes on your joinery table. And we have the new X-axis or door building system, this joinery system that we've added to the machine. So a new work center here, a new accessory on that work center.
All right, so say I want to become a door builder today. What do I need to do? What's my initial investment? And how do I make this happen?
Well, again, if you have a Gen 4, 4x8 Maverick, then it's pretty much ready to assemble.
Okay.
We'll show you where there are some holes that are already pre-drilled, pre-cut. If you check your machine, you'll be able to see if those are available. If not, if they're there, you're ready to go. The goal was to see how much of a door I can make on my CNC. But I know that with this, it was so easy, it's so fun to just sit and watch it cut.
Yeah.
And how would you make these big, deep, tenons?
Yep.
The shouldered tenons, it's easy to do the program in the Spire, but to actually physically cut those, that would have been a lot of work, a lot of different workstations around my shop.
Yep.
Instead, I watched my CNC do the work for me.
All of this all comes included. So my initial investment is going to be
About $3,900 is going to be the list. So you get the fence, the stops,
Okay.
the clamps, and the fence and clamp system along the horizontal, or along the horizontal system along the x-axis.
Okay.
That's going to be about $3,900.
Tell us about our early adopters. We always talk about those here, and we talk about the guys who are going to cutting edge.
Well, there are always the people who want to be first or want to, jump on opportunities early on. For anybody who buys a CNC this week, a 4x8 Maverick, those, we're going to basically give that away for free, but just this week.
For free, but just this week. That's
this week.
Sounds good.
Next week, if you wanted to add that, we're still going to give you a special price in the month of May just to celebrate a new accessory, our new workstation, and that's going to be about $3,400 for the package.
For the whole package. So you're still getting $500 off if you already own a machine. That's phenomenal. That's awesome. Now I have one quick question for you. If I'm going to go back to turning, do I need to take this off?
No. The good news is these post clamps will be in the way. So if I take the post clamps completely out, and they just go back in my toolbox.
Sure.
So they're out of the way. Now you can see I still have my 10.5-inch swing here. So I don't have to do anything other than just get the clamps out of the way, and I'm ready to jump right back into turning.
So I don't even have to set this up after I've done it the initial time.
No. There are some setup steps, and I've made a video or some video on how to install it and how to set it up, and that'll be available to anybody who wants to buy a system.
Very cool. Well, thank you again for letting me come to the shop and showing me this really cool door. It was phenomenal.
Well, this is one of those, bucket list projects. I've always wanted to build a door, and this new system made it so easy, so painless, that I make a lot of doors. It's just too easy.
That's awesome. Well, thanks again.
All right. Thanks, John.
You betcha. We'll see you guys in the next one.